The courtroom falls silent as the bailiff calls order. Judge Vonda B. takes her seat, commanding the room with her calm authority. The case before her, Tummy versus Tummy Gut, has been delayed for months, and tensions are already visible. As Mr. Tummy speaks, frustration fills his voice. He insists this case should have started long ago, but delays have kept them trapped in limbo. When his tone sharpens, the judge swiftly reminds him who's in charge. I'm the only one in here with an attitude. The room softens. Her message is clear. Respect the court and respect each other.
Vonda V Court is now in session. Judge, this is the case of the Tommy.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Mr. Tummy, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, for one, we should have been here a long time ago, but someone keeps delaying.
Really?
Anyway,
Really?
yes, really. You want to start this here? Okay, we could have started this a long time ago.
You need to
okay?
stop, okay?
Mr. Tommy and ma'am, really? I mean, the last time I checked, I was the judge. I was asking the questions. I should be the only person in here with a neck roll and an attitude.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Don't be sorry, just don't do it again. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, do you understand?
Yes.
I understand that tensions are high. Anytime you're talking about children and money, tensions are going to be high. But you all need to try at least to keep it together. Understood?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay, thank you. Now, continue, sir.
Okay, well, she gave me money. I don't know the exact amount, but I know it was once. And
One time?
Yes. It's
For
not
how
a-
many kids?
2.
Okay.
And they're in my care right now, and I go full-time to a film school. It's a great film school, but it's very expensive. And I am a trust fund baby. That I realize that.
And there's nothing wrong with that.
Thank you. But it's running out, and I am scared that I can't afford some of the things that they may need because they're talking about wanting to go into the same thing that I'm doing. And that scares me, for one, because it's very expensive.
Are you paying for school out of that trust too?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Is there anything else you want me to know before I move over to her?
Not that you would like.
Okay, well, please, thank you for saving me from that. This case has been pending for a long time. 6 months is a long time. And he says that you keep on delaying it. So I need to know what is the reason for the delay.
Mr. Tummy explains his struggles. He's a full-time film student, raising the kids while his trust fund runs thin. He's afraid he can't provide the life they deserve. His honesty shows fear, not arrogance, the fear of a father running out of options. The judge listens carefully, steady and composed. But when she turns to the mother, the courtroom's energy shifts. 6 months of waiting are, and now she demands answers.
Your Honor, the delay is because he don't even need to have the kids. The only reason why he got the kids anyway was because of his mama and daddy in that damn trust fund. Okay, and then on top of that, he put a case on me.
Are you mad that you don't have a trust fund?
No, I'm not mad that I don't have a trust fund. I got my pension and my retirement, but the
so
problem
you
is
have a
he's
pension?
spoiled.
Please keep talking.
He's
you have
spoiled.
A pension,
He's spoiled.
and you have
He
a
need to get-
retirement. Okay, but the children live with him, and it sounds like you're big mad because
No,
he
I'm
has
not
this
mad.
trust.
I'm not mad behind that. Okay.
What are you upset about?
I'm
exactly?
upset because he pulled the wool over my eyes, okay?
Okay.
When we first hooked up, all
Okay.
right, I told him what it was that I wanted to be a cop. Always wanted to be a cop, right?
All right.
So he pulls a trick and then ends up getting me pregnant.
What does pull a trick mean?
He poked holes in the condom.
Oh, okay. Well,
And now I got twins. I had the kids originally, but because him and his family got
The mother fires back, her voice rising with emotion. She claims he only got custody because of his family's money. Then she drops a bombshell. She says he poked holes in the condom. The crowd gasps. The tension is electric. And just when it seems it can't get worse, she admits she shot him. The judge's eyes widen. You shot him? The chaos spills out, accusations, anger, and deep resentment. This isn't just a custody battle. It's a war between two broken hearts.
money and he got that stupid trust. Guess what? He went and lied. Now he got custody. So it's been taking so long because we've been back and forth out of custody court. And then not to mention he put a case on me because I shot him in his ass. He's an asshole. That's why I shot him.
No, you shot me in the leg and it hurt, and the medical bills
It
are
was
still
your
piling
ass.
up. Thank you very much. Okay.
Stop.
You know what?
Stop.
Both of you, stop. both of you stop, because this is a lot. I hope you guys do not do this in front of your children. This is absolutely ridiculous. I understand that you're upset, ma'am, but the first thing you're gonna do is learn how to speak without cursing, okay? That's the first thing you're gonna learn how to do. Because trust me, it's a whole lot of stuff that I wanna say up here, but I don't say it. So you're gonna learn how to behave. And stop shooting people. Just because you have a gun, that does not give you the right to go around shooting people. Okay? Whether it's in his behind or it was in his leg, you should not be going around shooting people.
His behind.
Okay?
Thank you.
Okay, well, either
Judge Vonda steps in with firm control. Her voice cuts through the noise. She scolds both parents, not just for their behavior, but for what it means for their children. I hope you don't act like this in front of them, she warns. The courtroom quiets. For a moment, both parents sit still, reminded that their actions reach far beyond this room. The judge's tone is sharp, but underneath it lies compassion. She's seen this before, too many times.
way, all I need to know about is the money. Now you said you did a whole lot of talking. You talked about you being a cop. You said pension. You said retirement. That is music to my ears dealing with child support, okay? So
Why?
what I need to know, okay, thanks. Hold on. What I need to know, he said you gave him money one time. Is that true?
No.
It's a yes or a no.
No, that's not true.
So how much money have you given him total?
About $3,000.
About $3,000. Whether it happened one time or not, all I need is the amount. How much money do you make a year?
$57,000.
$57,000. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Who covers health insurance for the children?
I do.
Okay, how much is health insurance?
It's $68.
$68. Okay. You're about $5 off. I have 63.
Well, 60.
check.
Okay,
check
it's
with her.
63.
Okay,
telling you.
$63, okay? $5, it doesn't make a big difference. Excuse me. I'm not going to ask you again to stop talking to.
The focus turns to money. Numbers replace emotions. The mother's income, her pension, her retirement, all on the table now. The judge calculates with precision. Every dollar matters when children are involved. But old habits die hard. When the parents interrupt each other again, the judge stops them cold. Do not talk to each other. I do not need her shooting you in this courtroom. The gallery chuckles nervously, humor breaking through the tension, if only for a second.
Each other.
I'm
not going to do it. You do not apologize to me again. I just need you to sit over there and be quiet and let me calculate these numbers, okay? And sir, I'm going to need you to just leave her alone, okay? I do not need her to shoot you in this courtroom, okay? So, based on that $57,000 a year, we're going to, your gross is $4,700, that's correct. Giving you credit for the $63 that you pay in health insurance, that brings your net to $3,864.83, okay? Child support, $966.21.
A month?
Yeah. What do you want it to be? You want me to make it a week? I mean, I wish I had the authority to do that, but
Your
I
Honor,
don't.
I put my life on the line every day,
And you know
I
what?
gotta
And
pay for this bum. Like, my kid's supposed to be with me.
Judge Vonda lays down the math. $57,000 a year in income, $63 for health insurance, and now $966.21 in monthly child support. The mother protests. She risks her life as a cop every day, she says. Why should she pay him? The judge listens with patience and perspective. Many people put their lives on the line, she reminds her. Raising children is one of them. It's a powerful truth, one every parent in that courtroom feels.
Anyway,
Are you
Guess
kidding me
what?
right now?
Excuse me, Mr.
He's
Tommy.
not
I
gonna
can
use that
handle
for the
this.
kids.
Listen here. I applaud you for going out and putting your life on the line every single day. But just like a lot of people out here, they put their lives on the line too when you are raising children. You have to worry about their safety. You have to worry about their welfare when they're no longer in your possession. So it's a lot of people out here have other people dependent on them, okay?
I understand.
So if you understand, well, let me go ahead and help you understand a little bit further what else you have to do, because I hadn't finished yet. $966.21 is your monthly obligation. However, this case has been delayed a lot because of you. So I'm going to make your child support amount retroactive for the past 6 months. So giving you credit for that $3,000 that you testified to and he said that you've given him some money. You said it was $3,000. I'm going to take your word for it, okay? Giving you credit for that $3,000.
But the case isn't over yet. Because of the months of delay, the judge orders back pay. 6 months of unpaid support, minus the $3,000 the mother already gave. That leaves $2,048 owed, added to her monthly payments. The final total, $1,021 a month. The mother's eyes widen, but the judge stays firm. You have a pension, she says. You can manage this. Your children deserve it. Her voice is steady, a balance of justice and empathy.
Your retroactive child support or back pay, whichever one you want to call it, comes down to $2,448 that you owe in back pay, and I'm going to make that payable at $55 a month. All right? So payable at $55 a month added to your child support obligation, your monthly obligation is $1,021.21. I don't need you looking confused or anything like that, because you have a pension and you have a retirement. I need you to pinch from it.
Jeez.
And keep living. That's
I'm
all I
not
need
even
you to do.
invested. So
Well, you know what?
Invested in your kids?
I'm not, listen, it ain't about my
that?
kids
You
now.
know what,
You hear
Mr.
that?
Tommy,
need
do
to
you
stop.
have anything further?
No, you've been more than helpful. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Ma'am, is there anything else that I could help you with here today?
I just want to make sure my kids get the money. I don't want to pay for his education.
Well, you know what?
He sucks.
You said it. You said it. Well, you know what? He ain't sucked that bad when y'all was in the bed. So
The condom
go
was
ahead. Well, you know what? That has nothing to do with me. That has nothing.
The mother sighs in frustration. She says she doesn't want to fund his education. The judge doesn't flinch. That has nothing to do with me, she replies. The children are here. They live with him. You will support them financially. It's a simple truth delivered with finality. The courtroom quiets once more. The storm has passed and the verdict stands.
To do with anything now, because the children are here. They live with him. You're going to be responsible for taking care of them financially. Anything else from you?
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. You all are dismissed.
Shouldn't have delayed.
Hi guys, we've reached the educational portion of our show. I just wanted to go over what you all just watched in the case of the Tommy. So in this particular case, mom is a cop, dad is in school full time. All right, is mom obligated to pay an increased amount of child support? Can she be ordered to pay child support? That is very much so the case. So in this particular case, it's interesting as well, because what you'll also notice is not only did the court award back pay for the amount of time, the 6-month period that the case was pending, but they also gave mom credit for any child support given to dad as well. So anytime child support is given to one parent, it typically is a gift. However, before a child...
Then comes the educational moment. Judge Vonda addresses the audience directly, calm, clear, and firm. She explains how child support works, crediting prior payments, calculating income, ensuring both parents contribute. It's not about punishment. It's about responsibility, fairness, structure, the law at work to protect children caught in the middle.
Support order is actually in place, the courts are able to give a credit to their parent for anything, any money paid, whether you paid it in cash, check, money order, however it's paid. If it's for the support of the kids, you're able to get a credit for it. So that's why you saw the ordering of the child support based on her net resources, in addition to the back pay, as well as the credit for the money that was paid to dad while the case was pending.
The show closes with reflection. The judge reminds viewers that behind every case are real families, real pain, and real lessons. She invites them to share their stories, because these moments, though dramatic, reveal something universal: the cost of conflict and the power of accountability. And with a firm gaze, Judge Vonda B. delivers her final thought. No matter what brought you here, remember, the court's not about your past. It's about your children's future.